Hello, my name is Farron. I'm a part of the technology coach team at San Juan College. I know it often can be difficult to adjust to an online platform, navigating from one platform to another. Look no further. This step-by-step tutorial will be about learning to save a Microsoft Word document. The importance of this tutorial is to meet the basic need of learning to save a Word document. While using Microsoft Word, it is recommended that you save your document frequently so that you are able to access your document at a later time. As you may see on the screen, we are already on the Microsoft Word platform. Step number 1, on the top left corner of the document, you will see a menu bar labeled File. Step number 2, click on File on the top left corner of your screen. Step number 3, further on, from the File menu option, click Save As to move forward to save your Microsoft Word document. Step number 4, after clicking Save As, it will load. Within those options, click on Browse. Step number 5, a small window will then appear on your screen, giving you an option to name your document, rename your document, as well as storing your document in a certain location on your laptop or desktop. Within that option of storing your Microsoft Word document on your laptop or desktop, I would recommend saving your Microsoft Word document within your Documents folder. Step number 6, once you have clicked on where you want the document to be stored, click Save on the bottom hand corner of that window. Before wrapping up this tutorial, this was only a basic navigation to save a Microsoft Word document. Be looking for more Word tutorials soon. One of them may just meet your need in navigating Microsoft Word. For further assistance, contact a technology coach today at techcoach@sanjuancollege.edu. We are here to assist. Your success matters to us. Together, we can expand our knowledge through technology. Have yourself a great day.